Evening all on Play Chess. Okay, it's approaching 7 PM. So this is Play Chess Com Bantablets. And just waiting for my preview to disappear. Mute this. I'm going to type hi in the chat. Okay. Let me know how audio and visual is. I'll just kick off a 3-minute game. Knight c6 maybe. Actually, maybe I should have played d6 there. I just realised d6. I was thinking d5, knight d5, bishop g4. There's knight takes f6, and queen takes g4. However, let's play d6 to hit g4. Okay, can I take this? Now, I don't know, can I go here? Oh no, f7 is a problem. Oh dear. Oh, I'm feeling a lot of pressure already in the first game. What have I done then? If I took the knight g4, wonder about queen g5. No, there's no rook on h8. Forget that. Okay, what about queen here then? If I castled? I took. Oh, is there knight d5? Oh, gold. Who's going to play knight d5? Can I play knight d8? Crikey. I'm just to unpin. Just unpin. Knight g5 might be worth thinking about. Maybe not. Actually, I've just realised there's rook d8 check here, winning material. Yeah, I just realised takes this rook d8 check. It's a disaster. That's a shame. I have to do something else. Rook f6. Because otherwise I'm losing a rook. Alright, knight. Queen takes check. I'm just losing a rook or the queen. Hitting c2 and just needs the last 30 seconds basically. Can I last 30 seconds without getting terminated? Actually, what was wrong with Queen A2 anyway? Alright, yeah, that seems to be really dodgy, that game. Yeah. Dodgy! D4 looks pleasant enough. Maybe here. Can I play this? Queen E7 maybe. And what if I did this for knight G4? Also knight E5 springs to mind here. Okay, my king's in the centre. Can I take that? Can I go here? It's back G6. Maybe I can try and contest the file for moments. Ah, 95. And play C5 after, can I? C5, a G4 looks pleasant enough. Does that? Maybe. Kick this queen out first. I'm taking rook d7, kick the queen out to Siberia. Kick the queen out to Siberia, then g4, I think. Go to Siberia. Okay, then g4, but what am I concerned about? Bishop f4s? There's no bishop f4s. c4 is also something, maybe. Ah, 2 connected pass pawns. c3 and d3 coming up. I'll take. Let's win a bishop. Oh, there's rook g1. Okay, if I'm not careful. Trying to check again. Queen check. Alright, okay, a bit smoother this time. Let's try another game. So same opponents. English opening. Let's try knight d5. Well, have I castled? Everything all on stream. Okay, I've castled. Has Leela been eliminated? I think she's leading the tournament at the moment. If you go into Google and do TSEC chess live, I think she's still leading the tournament. Fractionally. I'm hopeful that there might be a promotion this season. If not, then it'll be in. Have to wait for 3 months. But I'm still a little bit hopeful that there's a possibility of promotion. I don't know if you guys have seen the latest scores. Just do TSEC chess live, and Leela's in the lead at the moment fractionally. Let's see, a3 is or maybe knight e6 here to take on d6. This diagonal seems much weaker than usual, than it was. Yeah, I'll try this just in case d6 is an issue. Bishop d7. Wow. Actually, I can take on g5 or f8. Let's just take on g5 here for fun. Because what I'm a bit wary of is g4 and then a knight coming to f3. I think this will help my king safety if I can do without g4 and a knight coming to f3. I mean, this is a key pawn anyway, is it not? f4 here. Oh, f3. That'll do. I was thinking f4, but okay, slip up. Got a lot of background noise, haven't I, today? Right, this looks like a very good position. Oh, there was a thought called taking on f8. I thought taking on g5 was fun. It looks like a lot of fun here with this f6. This looks like a lot of fun. Alright, nice. Right, let's try another 3 minute then. Hopefully different opponents. Oh, hang on, let's abort this. Let's try and get a different opponent. I'm getting stuffed, aren't I? I'm getting really stuffed. Because of f6 and c7, this looks really bad. Oh no. I think queen f4 was dangerous as well. This doesn't seem that bad at first sight. The bishops. Why didn't I take the bishop? Oh, Muppets. I could have just taken this bishop. Ah. I'm going to end up losing material now. Oh, I've just allowed rook d7 as well. Take some rook d7. Oh, that looks really horrible. I've just made it even worse than it needed to be. Just made it even worse. What is this? Oh, crikey. Oh god. When did I play rook f2? Okay. Yeah, I don't know how I get into such a mess tactically. Let's have a quick look. Why didn't I just let's have a look. Let's take this bishop. Check. D takes was an opportunity. She wanted to take the bishop. And so I'm missing something. Rook d7. I don't think so. Got into a mess. What is he going to do? Sack? Don't tell me he's going to sack. Maybe. Yeah! Oh, man. I'm wondering, yeah, there's a pawns there. But let's do this. What's that? Oh, check. Okay. Oh, bishop c5. Maybe rook g6, king e7, rook g8. This rook d7 is a pain now. Rook d7. If I don't exchange off queens. Let's just take the queens off then. That's helpful. Knight f2 coming up. Oh, this helps. Getting into trouble here in these games. I took and check and bishop b5, maybe check. Yeah, let's do this. He's got bishop g5. Oh, first attacking game of the night. It's one thing to have a playing style, it's another to be able to play one's playing style. Let's try e4 again. King's Gambit. Oh, knight b4 is a pain. On bishop d2, knight b4. I've got to stop even knight b4. Bishop d2, maybe safer. No, bishop d2. Oh, e5 for queen g6. Can I play that immediately? It's possible. Or not. Let's try it. h4 for knight g5. g4, knight g5, hg, hg, king g8, queen g6. I'm playing knight g5 here. Knight f7 or bishop f7. Knight. What about like bishop c3? Oh. Yeah, that's a pain, isn't it? It's a bit slow. Okay, another game. Yeah. Is it knight d5? There might be knight d5. This is a pain. Knight d5. He's going to always take. Why don't I just protect for the moment? d5 instead of giving a loose piece. Or a5. I'll kick this guy out. If I take a knight e4, does that do anything? It's going to take this b2 pawn. Queen Siberia or not? Or not? Oh, there's always d6 anyway. Can I just protect that for a moment? I think I've always got knight d6 on queen b2. I just realised knight d6. So, let's see. Being a pain. c3? If I take and then a knight e7, yeah. Right, F7. It's not, maybe not F5 is better. On knight E7. Oh, it's going to be a bit of work here. Uh-oh. That's G5. No, there isn't. I thought that was G5. Did he have Rook F8? Oh, this is getting funnier and funnier. Why don't I just take on D8? Oh. Okay, I'll make this the last game. Let's see if I can... Was this a tough opponent last time? Maybe this is good. This might be good, this position. With E5. Or maybe not. Oh, come on. Am I really getting... I'm getting hacked to death. I'm really getting hacked to death. This looks totally lost. It's got the fawn pawn. It looks totally lost. I've gone wrong somewhere very quickly, very badly. Rook A2, yeah, Rook A2. Okay. I'll give the applause. That was bad. A bit dodgy. Okay, until next week. Alright, see you next week. I hope you enjoyed it up to a point. Thanks so much.